Hello everyone and welcome back to Little Nightmares. Sorry I took such a long break. I had a ton of schoolwork I needed to get caught up on, but we're back and it's summer vacation, so hopefully I'll be able to be better about posting. But without much further ado, let's get back into this. I'm pretty sure that last we did was we escaped from the long-armed man because we pulled the cage and that took his arms off. Oh, yeah, that's right. It's been a while since I've played this, but... Ooh. What is that? Do I have to... Hold up. Is that a shoe? Ah, I can pick it up. That's nice. Oh, I have to grab onto one of these hooks. Oh. This is kinda interesting. Another shoe. Whee! It's like a zip line. But for meat. Now for how tiny that kid is. Oh, is that the new guy we're gonna have to get past? Alright. Looks like some kind of butcher. Oh no, we're hungry again. Why don't we just open one of these little meat sacks and open it? Is there like people inside? That's why we can't. Oh no. Are we gonna eat a rat? I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. Oh. Oh yeah, we're gonna eat the rat. Ooh. Let's eat the rat. Oh, it's still alive. That's nasty. Why is its blood black? Doesn't look like we ate much of it. Alright. I mean, that's pretty wasteful, but... it is a rat, so... Oh, the bodies are bouncy. Oh, this looks like it's slightly... off. Can I pull it off? Hold up. No, it doesn't look like it. Whoa. But, hold up. No, that's not what I meant to do. Gotta take this thing and push it. Yippee. And then we have another little convenient ramp over here. Oh, that's not ominous at all. That's it's very safe and not. Ooh. Is this like the? No, I just gotta push it. Whoa, hold up. Why are my feet so black? Did I step in something? Oh, what is that sound? I don't like that sound. Can I carry this carrot for later for me to eat? Oh, it's the guy. He doesn't look so bad. He's just cooking his stuff. Does he have any special abilities? Can he like sniff me out or something? So he's gonna grab a Where did he pull that sausage from? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where did he pull that sausage from? That sausage was not there before. What's it doing now? There's plenty of... What? Okay, there's plenty of there's sausages sticking out of that pot. There's sausages on the shelf. He's moving to that area now? I can't really see what he's doing. I think we have a handy little hole right here. Why is it so blurry? Is that like steam or something? Oh, it's little gnomes. I'm gonna have to find those guys later. Oh, wait. Oh, I have to go in that oven over there, don't I? That looks like somewhere I have to go hide. Whoa. What is Bo doing? Is he throwing up in there? That's disgusting. Oh, there's the gnome. Hi there, little gnome. There's a fish head. You know, at least it's not people. At least it's not people. I was breathing pretty heavy. That's salt. Salting the fish. You know, this doesn't look like the most sanitary of places to have a kitchen. Like, is this guy certified? Whoa, whoa, a key. I need a key? Where's the key? Oh. How did you see me through the shelf? I was not within your line of sight, buddy. Alright, climb up here. I can just straight climb up here. Hold up. You see nothing. You can't reach me up here, can you? I'm pushing all your stuff off. Can I eat this? Yes, I can. Boom, saving point. Whoa, what was that? Just because I don't like you, I'm gonna... No, I don't want to pick that up. I'm gonna pick this up. I'm gonna throw it on top of you. Take that. Leave me alone. You don't see me. I don't want to accidentally fall and then he grabs me. He just gave up. That's fair. Alright, we're finally up here. Alright. is completely oblivious as to my existence, but I need to find the key. Also, why would the key be all the way up here? I mean, we've already seen that he can't reach very far. So is there somebody else up here that has to reach? Was it like the long arm guy that would have to go and grab stuff for him? This doesn't seem like a very efficient storage system if you can't reach anything. Ooh, a toilet. How lovely. And there's a picture of a child. Is it gonna light? There we go. And we got our new save point. Soap. Wait, what does that say? Hold up. Does it just say soap? Because it doesn't really look like it says soap. Palm. Oh, so it's like palm soap. Give me my soap. Oh wait, there's a little gnome. Come back here, gnome. I'm gonna wash you with my soap. Let me wash you. This bed isn't gonna break and fall on top of me, is it? Ah, dang it. Oh, there's the key. Again. How do they get up here, for one thing? Oh, they're brothers. Great, there's two of them. That's fantastic. And they're both ugly. I feel like I'm probably fat shaming too much, but I'm not fat shaming. Except for when people are morbidly obese like that. But like... Whoa. Can I get through here? Am I supposed to get through here? This looks important. This also looks like it's gonna cause a lot of noise. Yeah, I shouldn't have done this beforehand. I've got my key. Oh, it's that thing, whatchamacallit, a butler or something. The little things they used to have for the old kitchen. Here, gnome, let me hug you. So cute. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, just ignore the key lying on the ground. Wait. That's not his real face. What? Did you guys see that? That's not his real face. That's some weird mask he's got on. I guess that explains the lack of facial expressions, but I don't think I would have noticed that. That's even more disgusting. I dislike these guys even more than I already did. I wonder if that guy who was blind, if that wasn't his real skin too. Oh, why can I not move? Okay, we're just gonna keep randomly stopping. Alright, is his brother in here somewhere? Ooh, I should have saved those ovens. You know what, we're fine. We don't need ovens. How many people are on whatever this thing is that they have to feed all of them? Do you guys see that? How like it just sags, and how it's not connected to its neck? That's crazy. Are these guys like all skinwalkers or something? Where'd the brother go? Is he still upstairs? Because it would be pretty impressive if he got down here before me, not gonna lie. Alright. Finally got the key and I can put it in here. You hear nothing. You hear absolutely nothing. Alright, I can hide in here. That's nice. Can I pull this out? Can I grab it at least? Nope. Okay. Wee! Is it? I'm stupid. It's stuck. I have to go through this handy dandy hole over here. Oh wait, see, it's another. The other thing was like a bigger version of it. It's a butler. I think that's what it's called. This is a sausage maker. Grinder upper. They put the children in it. Ignore this, Mr. Fatman. I'm not sure how a sausage is gonna help me get through that little hole there, but alright. Oh, I have to make a whole link of sausages and I'm gonna swing across it. Is that it? Do I not get more meat? That's the only meat I get. You know, I was wrong. It happened once. Do I have to put more meat in it? I'm confused here. Hold up. I have a sausage. I'm gonna put the sausage over here. So... oh, I have to go in there. Alright. I'm so smart. You know, at least none of these little meat things are shaped like people. That's the important part. Alright. Let's just drag this into here. What was this? What's in here? Oh, a save point. And it's one of these statues. I'm gonna throw it. Okay, I can't throw it into the endless abyss, so I'm just gonna throw it over there. Boom. Yeah, little gnome, you can fend for yourself. You look dead already, anyways. Is there any other meat I can put there? Alright. Also, how did I just slide off the hook like that? I don't think that's how hooks work. But I'm not an expert on hooks, so I wouldn't know. Oh, I need to put it down first. There we go. Is that enough sausage? I need one more. Up we go. How did I miss this? It's right here. You're coming with me, meat. Wahaha. Alright. Back down we go. Down here. Up, no, yet. Alright, up here. Test this thing first. I don't know what kind of meat it is, because it looks like ham. I'm moving with momentum. This is a momentous occasion. That was bad. I apologize. Alright. But continuing down the vent. Wonder how far we are into this chapter. Oh joy! More meat! Everybody loves meat. Except for vegans. Oh, a hiding place. That's ominous. Is there something waiting for me in here? Another key. Oh, yep. There he is. In we go. Ah, this is the brother. Maybe the reason why he has such a hard time breathing is because he's wearing the mask. I might be onto something, guys. Maybe they're not even overweight. They just have a ton of extra skin that they're wearing for some reason. Now see, if they're all monsters, and if they eat children, and they raise the children and stuff, maybe they took human skin to make themselves look human. So they wouldn't scare the children quite as badly. Think about it. Maybe it's like the Promised Neverland or something, where they want to not scare the children because it ruins the flavor of the meat or something. So they put on human skin. To not be as terrifying. Also, I recently got my friend to start the first one. Because he's supposed to play the second one with me when I finally finish this series. So hopefully we'll be able to do that for you guys. What is that? I don't know about you, but that doesn't look like any animal I've ever seen. Oh, and the key's right on the table. He's a very skilled chef. Very, very skilled. Alright, I need to distract him somehow. To get him away from that key. And then I need to race back down the elevator. And get back safely. This looks distraction worthy. Press the button. Press it. Okay, how? Okay. Be distracted by the meat grinding. We hate meat grinding. Alright, since that's not his skin, I can see why he would be able to run that fast despite looking so obese, but still. Okay, can I press this? Nope. That is something horrible. And I kind of like that it's not so much about the fear factor as it is the disgust. Because they are disgusting. I mean, look at him. It's a fat man covered in human skin. You don't even know what he actually looks like. Absolutely disgusting. Can I move this? Nope. Is there another hole I have to go through? Oh, so I can open this for once. Down the hatch we go. Oh. Aha, it's one of you. Die. A plunger. That looks useful. Alright, hold up. Let me grab the... No. Let me grab the plunger. That is where I fell down. Okay. Oh, I can climb these sides. But to what end? I figure it out by myself. Oh, it's like the long-armed guy. Oh, he's cleaning dishes. It'd be kind of funny if you could hide in the soap or something. Oh no, it's both of them. That's a lot of dishes. Reminds me of when me and my brother would do dishes together. You know, those brothers kind of look like him too. Yank it off. Yank it. Don't yank it. No. What if I just spawn right in front of him? I just run for my life. Can't reach me under here, can you? Elusive. Oh, I got an achievement. Nice. Alright. Let's keep moving. Oh shoot. You didn't hear that, okay? That was the wind. It was a very quiet and non-threatening, non-edible wind. It's pure skill. Okay, how did you what kind of person did they skin to have that much skin though? Like even fat people's faces don't stretch out that much. That's a bit of a that's a bit of a stretch. Yeah, I apologize. Alrighty. Would you two brothers be so kind as to move? Like, you, this particular, whoa. Oh, that's his ear. I thought that was your eyeball. For a second. Alright, up here we go. Up the plates we go. You can't catch me. Neater, neater. You short, stubby little man. You're gonna throw a plunger at me. Oh, there's more than 3 Can you reach me? I feel like you can reach me. Oh, shoot. There's more than 2 of them? Dang it! Alright. And I slid into the lake. Oh, thank goodness. I hope I never see your stupid fat potato heads ever again. Oh, that was horrible. The chefs will miss you. I will not miss them. I hope they all get put in a potato sack at— whoa. As I was saying, I hope they all get lumped in a potato sack and die a horribly painful and slow death. What's through here? Well, I probably shouldn't explore this area too much, but— oh, there's an elm. Light up your life. Not all lights can be trusted, but these should be quite safe. Is that the last light? Did I light all of them or something? But goodbye everyone, thank you for watching. Me and the gnomes say hi, and hopefully I will be able to get into a better schedule of posting. So thank you everybody for watching, and goodbye.